Hey everyone, today let's dive into the list of top 5 developer tools that you actually need to know. Imagine playing a game and you are not equipped with the right gear to fight a boss. Yeah, this is what happens. And that's basically coding if you don't know about these tools. Today, these tools will equip you to make you OP. Enough talking, let's dive into the list. Coming in at number 5, we have GitHub Copilot. And before you go, not another AI tool like it's another battle royale game, let me show you why this one's different. What's this? I'll start typing a basic shopping cart function and boom, like a perfectly timed combo, Copilot doesn't just complete the code, it reads your mind better than a psychic. And you can cycle through multiple suggestions by hitting Alt bracket before you accept the one that you find useful. Isn't it awesome? Now let's add some error handling to our code. Watch how Copilot adds error handling that actually makes sense. This isn't just basic error catching, it's actually adding intelligent validation, specific error types and meaningful error messages. Here is where Copilot unleashes its ultimate ability, smart prompts. What's this? I'll type a command explaining what I want and Copilot exactly knows what to do. Need an authentication system? Type the prompt and bam! Complete with token handling, error checks, the whole skill tree is ready. It's like having Stack Overflow built into your editor. The best part? These aren't just random snippets. Each suggestion is context aware. At $10 per month and free if you are a student, this is definitely an S tier. Coming in at number 4, we have Arc Browser. And before you say not another Chrome clone, it's like upgrading from a starter weapon to an endgame gear. First up, check out the split view. You can have your documentation on one side and code by the other side, and no more alt tabbing between 50 different windows. But here is where it gets interesting. Spaces. Think of them as different loadouts for your different machines. One for the work, one for fun, one for personal stuff, all organized and ready to go in one single browser. The command bar is basically your power menu for the browser. Quick commands, switching between spaces and tabs, everything you need, just a keyboard shortcut away. For developers specifically, you are getting built-in dev tools like JavaScript console, easy API testing and performance monitoring, all in a browser that actually respects your RAM. And the best part, it's completely free, super worth it. Next over at number 3, we have Warp Terminal. Let's be honest, regular command line interfaces feel like they are stuck in the 90s. You know the pain. Cryptic error messages, zero autocompleteness, and a UI that looks it was designed way back in the history. But that's where Warp comes in. This is what happens when someone finally decided to give terminals the upgrade they desperately needed. First thing you will notice, AI command suggestions right in your terminal. No more googling basic commands or digging through Stack Overflow. Just type what you want to do and Warp suggests the exact command you need. There is also a blocks feature. Check this out. Every command and its output is organized into blocks you can actually work with. You can copy outputs, save commands, and also share commands with your team. Workflows. Common commands, custom scripts, team shortcuts, everything organized and accessible. This is like your history of the commands. So there is no need to keep a notepad full of commands that you might need later. So everything is taken care by the Warp Terminal. And yes, it's fully customizable in terms of themes and shortcuts. And the best part, it works with your existing terminal setup. No need to learn a whole new system. Definitely worth checking out. And down at number 2, we have GitHub Codespaces. Think about every time you had to set up a new project, installing dependencies, configuring environments, which is annoying, right? Codespaces basically said, nah, we are done with that and fixed all of it. What's this? From zero to full dev environment in seconds. No local setup, no dependency hell, no configuration nightmares. Just click and you are ready to code. It's like the VS Code in your browser, but it's actually good. Everything you love about VS Code, it's all here. Your extensions, your settings, your shortcuts, they all sync automatically. Plus it's running in the cloud, so your laptop fan can finally take a break. It's like having your entire dev setup in your pocket, accessible from anywhere. But here is the real game changer. Sharing your entire dev environment is now as easy as sharing a link. Just share the repo URL and you are ready to do a collaborative project. It has a free tier and is worth checking out. And finally at number 1, we have Vercel. If you have ever dealt with deploying a website, you know the pain. But Vercel just lets you skip straight to the victory screen. Watch this. I have got a simple Hello World project here. Connect to GitHub, click deploy, and that's it. Your site is live with HTTPS on a global CDN. No configuration, no server setup, just instant deployment. Now here is where it gets good. Let's change our hello world to something else. Push the commit and boom. Vercel automatically picks up the change, deploys it, and your site is updated. It's like having autosave for your entire website. But wait, there is more. All the analytics and the performance related information for your website is available in real time without writing a single line of configuration code in Vercel. With a generous free tier and pro plans for $20 per month, I think Vercel is the game-changing platform that makes web development actually enjoyable. There you have it. From writing code to deploying it live, these 5 tools will help any developer to finally get the upgrades they deserve. Whether you are a solo developer or part of a team, these are the power-ups that will take your development game to the next level. If you find this video useful, smash the like button and drop a comment, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Peace out and see you next time.